Simone give her the right name. So every Friday is something new. Well, them say something outrageous, but it's something new, something stupid. And today is no different. Today is new and stupid. And Simone gave her the right name, our producer. But apparently we'll be feeding ourselves. Well, actually not with our feet, but the aim, if you notice, so they tie us up. So apparently we have to do something like, you ready, Sama?
No, tell the people first before you show them.
Eh?
What are we doing? What's the aim?
The aim is to get this down and bite it without using hands. So you use your foot almost like a little lever, so something like. Hold on, it can do, you know, but the chair.
Clive, come
The
here.
chair a little bit too far.
Jody, come here.
All right, you ready, Sim?
No, wait. Clive has to record this for Joe. So no, wait. So why are you aligning yourself? Look where my bun is.
Align yourself. And may I suggest you carry yourself forward too, because.
No.
Yeah, because it going drop down here, or you're going. You don't understand? You're too far away from it. Yeah. Ready?
I'll figure it out.
Ready?
I'm not sure.
Want me to go first?
At the mark.
Get set.
Hold the cup, drink. Okay, I see. Yay! I see. Hang on.